afternoon, everyone. I'm just coming to you to let you know that I'm going to make some flaxseed spray moisturizer. It is my first time. You see I have my flax seeds in my bowl. I have my glycerin. I have my essential oils. I have my butters that I'm going to use, which is mango, coconut butter, and castor oil in there. I have my honey. I have my collagen water, and I have some gargum. So I'm going to make some flaxseed spray moisturizing gel for my first time. So wish me luck. This is Lawana at All Nature's Creations. I'll get back on and show you what it looks like in the end.